Well, I thought I'd give you a little update on the MG. It's been sitting in the garage. Haven't done much with it in the last couple of days. Haven't done anything. Matter of fact, let me turn the lights on. And we're going to hop in and sort of test it. Sort of go around it. Been working on the hood, the trunk a little bit. Trying to get some of the orange peel. And I got some new chemical for supposed to help cut the paint to get it really smooth. So I'm going to be doing, I did the fender a little bit. I'm going to do it again when I get back from my little RV trip. But for right now, I left the air cleaners off. And so just give you a little update on what's going on with the MG. So let's go inside and see if it cranks up. Okay, here we sit. So we reach back, turn the power on for the batteries. Fuel pump making noise. Give that a few minutes. Rough, should warm up a little bit. We're going to sit here and let it warm up. Checking the radio. Light here. I've got to put that on one of these days. Not running too bad. Idling really well. See if we got any leaks. Headlights on. Work good. Turn signals. Right. Oh, sorry, that was left. That's right. They're working fine. Brake lights are working. I do have to, let me get out of here for a second. I do have to find out why these side lights aren't coming on. I'm sure it's just not plugged in properly. Everything else is looking good. No leaks, no runs. Looks pretty dry. I don't see any dripping. These things drip like leak everywhere. Don't see any issues with that. But overall, the car looks good. Turned out pretty good. Just gotta keep buffing it, keep waxing it. Really want it to really sparkle, and so we'll get around to it. But share, like, subscribe. Appreciate you coming along with me on this journey. Thanks.